Today we'll be creating an account on Freecash. It's a survey website, and they offer a lot of surveys and testing apps and playing games. So they offer a lot of jobs. So I'll just show you once move on and create an account. So this is best for beginners. So if you're a beginner, don't worry. I'm just showing you the ways of starting to earn online. All right, you can see that even they are paying $10 start a trial month on Netflix, and then there's a Dice Dreams. This is a game, reach level 10, and then you'll be paid $3,000. And TikTok sign up, you just get paid $2 for just doing that, right? And another thing is that it's free. It's easy. Choose an offer and then complete the offer. Once you complete the offer, get paid. It's simple like that. And then you can see play games, complete offers, join surveys. So they have multiple tasks. So it's high payouts, and they offer high payouts and earn more than on other sites. So yeah, they're paying so much money, and it's instant cash outs, daily bonuses, and you can see the companies that they've partnered with, and you can cash out on either Apple Pay, Bitcoin, Visa, and PayPal, and many others. All right. And another thing, you can see that their reviews are good. If you go check them on Trustpilot, their reviews are good. Now, let's begin. Just make sure to have a proxy and get a proxy first. I've already attached the link on where to get the proxy. After that, just come and enter your email address. So after you've entered the email address and the password, just click start earning now. So we just wait while it is preparing our dashboard, and here it is. Let's personalize your offers. So just fill out what is your gender, then click on next. Then how old are you? Click on next. And how you made in-app purchases in mobile games in the last month. Have you made? You say yes. And then on average, how much do you spend on in-app purchases per month? Just choose, let's say, $100 to $300. Click on next. Then how often do you play mobile games? You can say daily. And then what device do you use? You can either choose iOS or Android. Okay, so you can choose one. Then after that, everything is completed, and you can see that the starting balance is $0.2, and next payout for $25 here it is. So you'll be checking out the progress on this bar. Okay, so these are just for playing games. These are games, so you can see you can choose these three before you unlock some other opportunities. Okay, and then after that, just go click on my offer. And see, for now you haven't started any offers yet. Surveys. So you can see it's a must that start an offer. So you can either start on this offer right here. 3 offers available, so you can either choose this one or this one. So you must first choose you must first start an offer so that you can open this other page. You can see start an offer to view this survey page. So yeah, that's how simple it is. you can check out and your so you must first start one offer, and then after that everything else will be unlocked, and you can either view the surveys, and you can view your offers and many other things.